Frustrated with the Flex Library DLL pop-up blocking Adobe Systems? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin our Flex Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Flex Library. This library is a core component of the Adobe Flex framework, responsible for rendering MXML and ActionScript-based rich Internet applications, RIAs. It handles the execution of compiled SWF bytecode within the desktop environment, managing UI layout and data binding. Its absence prevents the initialization of Flex-based GUIs in enterprise software, typically resulting in a main application module could not be loaded error. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. To resolve this, keep in mind that Flex Library DLL is typically installed with Adobe Systems. Reinstalling the latest version of Adobe Systems from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Flex Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. If you're attempting to register Flex Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Flex Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Flex Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.